I'm Soledad. This is my Holden, and I've done all my own repairs on this car. On average, 5 deaths and 160 injuries are associated with DIY repair each year, and these are preventable. So, I'm going to show you the correct way to lift and support your vehicle for DIY repairs. First, you need the right tools for the job. Jacks, stands and ramps all have a different purpose, which I'll take you through. Your car will most likely come with a specific vehicle jack, usually in the boot. Remember, it's only designed for changing tyres and must never be used to get under your car. If you do need to get under your car, buy a good quality jack that's rated to lift the weight of your car and a pair of good quality support stands or ramps. Make sure all this equipment meets the mandatory safety standards. Always work on a hard, flat surface, preferably concrete. Working on the lawn isn't safe. The surface needs to support the entire weight of your car and you don't want to risk it. Put your car in park and apply the handbrake. Place chocks behind all the unlifted wheels and locate the lifting points on your vehicle. If you're unsure where they are, check the owner's manual. Then you can start to jack your car. Check the safety warning labels on your equipment. These can provide you with valuable information on their correct use. Importantly, never get under a vehicle supported only by a jack. This can be fatal. Never use bricks, blocks or wood in place of good quality stands. Some DIY videos will suggest making your own as a cheap option, but you'll be risking your life for the sake of $80. They're a good investment. Once you've raised the car, slide your support stands into place and slowly lower the car onto them. It's a good idea to give the car a bit of a push and a shake, just to make sure it's stable. If you're using vehicle ramps, check their rated capacity, specification, and again, compliance with safety standards. Always use 2 ramps. These should be in line with the wheels. With the steering wheel straight, drive slowly up the centre of the ramps. Use a spotter if you can. The spotter should be away from the path of the car. As a rule of thumb, the spotter should be on the driver's side, 1 car width away and 1 car length in front, so they can still see the alignment of the ramps and wheels, but are safe if the ramps move or if the vehicle slides off one or both of the ramps. Once at the top, put the car in park and place chocks behind the unlifted wheels. Being able to lift your car the correct way is essential for any DIY car owner. If you're unsure, take your car to a professional and check the Product Safety Australia website for further information.
Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.